Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create ticket in Jira. So that's so easy. First of all, you need to open jira.com, and once you are on this window, you'll see the panel on the left side, and right here you will see all of your projects. So you need to choose the project where you wanna create ticket. In my case, this is the project right here, so I can just click on this project and my project will be open. And just right here we have the option for create, and if I click on create, the window will open, and you can open the same window by hitting C from your keyboard. Now once you are on this window, you need to choose your project. They have automatically selected the project which is open, so we don't have to specifically choose the project then. So we'll choose this for instance. Then here you have the option for work type, so you can choose the work type from here, like what your issue is, like task, epic. If you want to add more work type, you can click on this option. You'll see a couple of more issues like bug, story. Whichever you want to add, you can just add that from here. Just select that issue and just click on add. In my case, my issue is task, so I'll just leave it on task. Then here you have the option for status, so you can set the status on in progress, done, to do. It depend on your task or depend on your ticket. I'll just go with to do. Then here you need to type the summary for your ticket or task. My summary is create workspace. Here it is. Then here you have the option to write the description for that. In my case there is no description, so just for instance I'll just type ABC for the sake of this video. And if I want to make this text like kind of bold or that, I can just select the text, click on this B, and text will get bold. Similarly I can make it italic, I can give headings and all. Then here you have the option to change the color of the text, and also you have a lot of more options. You can explore them if you want. Then here is the main thing, whom you want to assign this ticket or task. Here you just need to choose the person. In my case I just want to assign this to myself, so for that I'll just click to assign to me. The task will be assigned to me. Then if you want to select the labels, you can choose that from here. You can choose the parent for your ticket. Then if you move to next option, here is the main thing comes, like if you wanna set due date for your task or ticket, you can set that from here. Many people set due date for the task and the ticket. They just click on this option and right here they choose the date, so you can set any date you want. I'll just go with 21st of August, and due date would be set on my ticket. Then here is the option for team, so like if you want to choose a particular team for this particular task, you can choose that from here. You can just choose your team. In my case I don't have any team, so that's why I'm not getting any options. But just like me, if you don't have any team, you can create a team for the task just by clicking on the create team option. Similarly, just like due date, we have the option for start date, so you can just click on this option and you can choose any date you want. Now you have bunch of more options, so they are not necessary. If you want to fill them, you can just fill this information, but for me this information which I filled is enough. So I'll just click on create, and what will happen, my task is successfully created or my ticket is successfully created. The ticket you can see on this panel or column, it is in to-do list because we have set it the status on to do. Now if you want to change the status, what you can do, you can just shift this task on this in progress, and you will see that the status of the task is changed to in progress. So let me see it. Okay, here it is in progress. Even I can just set it on done, and what will happen if I close it, the task would be shipped to this done panel or done column. So that's how you can manage your ticket or task. Now if you want to do any changes to your ticket, how you can do that, just click on the ticket. Then here you have all the information, like if you want to add any comment to your ticket, you can just type that. Let's say I type here sample comment, then I can just make it bold, italic. I can change the color of the comment. Same options we have in the description. Then I can just click on save and the comment would be added here. Also if you want to share this ticket to other people, you can do that too by clicking on this share button. Like here you can just enter your team name, you can enter the member name, you can share it on Slack. It is up to you. Then if you click on actions, here you have the options which we had on the main panel. Like you can just add parent to your ticket, you can add flags, like you can export it on Excel, Word. It is up to you again. So whatever you want to do, you can just do that. You can configure this by clicking on configure button, and here you will see a couple of more options like start date, team, due date, all the options we had previously. If you wanna open this task to other tab, for that just click on this one and the task would be open in new tab, and right here you can easily manage it. You can go back to your main workspace, just right here you can manage your task. So this is that easy, and just cause of we set a due date on the task, the due date is appearing here, so that's a good thing. But yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can create Jira ticket in Jira software. Doesn't matter if you're working on Kanban board, Scrum board, whatever board you are using, you can just follow the same process. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.